In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Google AdSense account if it has been deactivated. If your account has suddenly gone inactive and you're not sure how to bring it back, don't worry. This guide will take you through the process step by step so you can get everything running again smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google AdSense website. This is your main dashboard for managing earnings, checking reports, and fixing account-related issues. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click it and enter your Google account credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the exact account linked to your AdSense. This helps prevent confusion if you manage multiple Google accounts. After signing in, you'll be directed to your AdSense homepage. This page is the control center where you can access all important tools and settings. From here, look for the option that says AdSense Home or simply navigate through the dashboard to reach it. Once you're there, you'll see an area labeled Enter Your Information or something similar, depending on the layout of your dashboard. Click on the option to begin updating your account details. This part is crucial for reactivation. You'll need to fill in personal details like your name, address, and payment information. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and matches what you've used before. Even small inconsistencies, like a mismatched name or outdated payment method, can delay the reactivation process. Take your time to double check every entry before submitting. Once you've filled out and confirmed your information, submit the form for review. Google will then process your request and review the account details you've provided. This can take a little time depending on your case, so it's best to stay patient. While waiting, make sure your website and account comply with AdSense's latest policies. Check that your content doesn't violate any of the Google's guidelines and that your site is accessible, safe, and active. Issues like broken links, policy violations, or suspicious activity can slow down or block reactivation. Also, keep an eye on your email. Google may send you updates about your account status or request additional verification. If they do, respond promptly and provide any documents or details they ask for. Being responsive and cooperative helps speed up the reactivation process. Once your information is verified and your account is cleared, Google will reactivate your AdSense account. You'll receive a confirmation email, and from that point on, you can start earning again just like before. To keep your account active moving forward, make sure to regularly review AdSense's terms and policies. Staying informed helps prevent future deactivations. And if you ever encounter an issue, the Google AdSense Help Center and support page are great resources for troubleshooting. And that's it. You've successfully reactivated your Google AdSense account. Keep everything up to date, follow the platform's guidelines, and you'll maintain a healthy active account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your AdSense account back on track and running smoothly.